Hi everybody, welcome to Library Highlights with Mary. Now that our summer reading program has started, you need to be sure and sign up, log your reading this summer so you can win prizes. All ages can sign up on Read Squared. So go to the link that's in the description of this video to sign up, or come to one of the service desks and we'll get you signed up. And check our event calendar for all the fun things that are happening. So let's go talk about a few of them, okay? In the adult department, we have a new program for the summer called Stitch Together. This is going to be every Monday from 1 to 2:30. So if you're a beginner or even a pro, come learn or share your knowledge about knitting or crocheting, or both. The first one is tomorrow, June 5th. So come, check it out. If you're planning to participate in the puzzle tournament, which is June 24th, it's time to sign up. Go to the link in the description of this video to sign up your team of 2 to 6 players. Now, the deadline for sign up is June 10th. Saturday, June 17th at 9:30, come make the perfect gift for the dad in your life at the fabulous Father's Day DIY gift program. Then at 1 p.m. on the same day is our next Achieve It, and it's how to protect yourself against consumer fraud. Moving on to the teen department. Create a unique bookmark at the Making Together program presented by Amazium. This is on Tuesday, June 13th from 1 to 2. Join us also for a special Adventures League edition of Teen Tabletop on June 14th at noon. The regularly scheduled programs in the teen department, like DIY Monday, movie night, game night, and tabletop, will continue through the summer. Be sure and stop by the teen department and pick up their schedule, and check the event calendar on our website. And in the children's department, we have a lot going on. Tommy Terrific's Wacky Magic will be here on Wednesday, June 7th at 10 a.m. Then on Wednesday, June 14th, we have 2 programs. The first one is on Zoom, and it's Rick Stromowski's Cartooning Workshop, and that's at 10 a.m. And at 2 p.m. is Ben Anna Band Interactive Music Show, and that one's in person. And Family Movie Fridays is back. Movies are going to start at 2 p.m. You'll see that our regular programs are all still happening, like Art Hour, Poetry Story Time, Babies and Bubbles, Pajama Story Time, just to name a few. Also, Buddy Peg's Bicycle Playground will be back on Tuesday, June 13th from 3 to 5, so don't miss that one. There are many more special programs for the summer, so be sure and pick up the summer schedule in the children's department and check the event page on our website. Phew, that was a lot to cover. So be sure and pick up schedules in all the departments and check the event calendar on our webpage. Right now, I'm standing at our Community Origami Butterfly Garden. We invite you to come make your own origami butterfly. See how cute they are? And add them to what we have. Everything you need is right here. So until next time, I hope you all have a wonderful couple of 2 weeks.